Hi, it's Nick Hall here, your digital learning advisor, and I've put together this short explanatory video to explain the course that you'll be now doing within Elements, and that is the Amazon cloud-based foundation program, and the number is 55828. And basically all you need to do is to click on the link on the Elements website, and I think there'll be a link appearing on the screen. And then on the left hand side, if you go down here, click on modules, and your aim is to work through all the modules as best as you can. Not obviously in one session. This will be rolled out from now until after Christmas and well into the new year, and I think it'll probably cover most of your course. You'll have about 10 weeks, there's 10 modules to complete, so that probably covers about 10 weeks. That's what's left of Elements in the second term as well. So it's basically you've got to complete this and then you'll complete Elements. You may have a few odd assessments further on down the line. But that's basically it. So just click on the link, go to this area. You may have to set up an account. I believe Peter's given you details to log in. If not, speak to Peter. And when you log in, you'll be faced with the home page like this. You can read that if you want, and then you can go to the modules. And my advice would be to click on Introduction and read through as much as you can. But I think there's somewhere it's a course introduction video, which should appear shortly. I bet you it'll start in a minute. There we go. If I click play, there we go. That will probably provide you with all the information you need. Okay, and then when you're ready, click on modules and then work your way through. You will do one module per week, hopefully. I will also go through it and have a look and see how complicated they are. It may be split up. All that information will be on the Elements page when you log in. So at the moment, it's one module a week. And good luck, I'm sure you'll do very well. And I think, if I'm right, you can get to do the Amazon certificate at the end, which is something else you can take home with you, show to an employer, etc. Okay, take care, bye bye.